What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to explain to you what is the best email marketing software of 2018 and probably going to be the best software for 2019 as well. Okay, now most of you have probably looked into this, right? You've come up to things like ConvertKit and to Aweber and MailChimp and Constant Contacts, and you found all these different email automation autoresponders, and you're wondering which one's the best one. Now, it's actually none of those. Okay, it's none of those, and I'm gonna show you why. Because most people, if you were like me years ago, I tried to get into email marketing and I had no clue what I was doing, but I just kept paying for it and paying for it and paying for it, and finally I figured it out. Well, today I want to explain to you what the best email marketing software is and why. In my opinion, the best email marketing software in the past, even recently, has been something called ConvertKit. You can see it right here. There it is. Here I'm on the pricing page. Okay, so this is if you pay monthly. The lowest price, if you have between 0 and 1,000 subscribers, is $29 a month, and that gives you a decent amount of stuff. Okay, it gives you quite a bit, and I recommended that for the longest time. However, and I still do recommend it, it's still an awesome software. However, there's something that I believe is better, and here's why. It's actually called Builderall. Now, Builderall is a kind of all-in-one platform. It helps you build websites, pages, sales funnels, membership sites, all this stuff, okay? And additionally, to get in, it's only, well, you can start at the $9.90 per month. However, for this $29.90 per month, this one right here, this digital marketing package, what you get is you get more than 1,000 professional templates. You get unlimited visitors, unlimited pages and websites, unlimited funnels, instant publishing, but you also get something down here. Oh, you get two-step opt-in pages, which is cool, and something down here you get, you can manage up to 10,000 emails and leads within the autoresponder tool. It's actually something that's called, you can see it right here, MailerBoss Autoresponder. This is actually inside my Builderall dashboard. You can see it right here. It's right here. It's called MailerBoss Autoresponder, and it will help you create custom looking pages. Now, here's a page I created. This is powered by ConvertKit. Okay, this is a page I have. It's all on ConvertKit, so you can go click the guide and you can go and get that free guide. Awesome, cool. However, this is as fancy as the page gets. Okay, it's very, very basic. Now with Builderall, which is only 90 cents more per month, you can create something very unique, very different, very custom, okay? And it does the exact same thing. However, you don't have to pay for the website. You don't have to go and pay for additional hosting. You don't have to pay for all that stuff because it's all done right here inside of Builderall, okay? So instead of having this, where I pay for ConvertKit, I have to pay for the website, I have to pay for hosting, all that stuff, I do it an all-in-one with Builderall, and you can get a page that looks like this, or you can have a page that looks like this, okay? A little bit more professional than just this, right? Here's something I want to explain with MailerBoss, okay, and why I like it. Something that is done inside of ConvertKit. Now, if you want the 7-day free trial of Builderall, I'll put a link down in the description box below. But one of the things I liked about ConvertKit is that you could do different tagging, okay? You could really customize who the person was. You had automation, you had all this stuff. Well, that's exactly what you get inside of Builderall, and specifically MailerBoss or MailingBoss, okay? So you can go in and say, when a user clicks on this link, okay, they're gonna be, we're gonna send them into a different campaign, okay? Send another campaign that, okay, now they're interested in how to make money. They're not just interested in affiliate marketing, so they're interested in how to make money generally online. So I'm gonna send them into a different campaign, and we're gonna send them those emails. Okay, so this is something that is awesome, that it's built in, okay, all inside of right here inside of Builderall, and it's only $29.90 per month. So if you've been thinking about getting into email marketing, how am I going to implement into my business? How am I going to make it work? How am I going to build my email marketing business without paying thousands of dollars? Because if you look right here, let's say we're going to have it at 10,000 subscribers. That means you're going to pay $119 per month just to have the subscribers. That doesn't even include any of the websites, any of the hosting, any of that stuff. Okay, so if you're trying to build an email list, I highly recommend you start here with Builderall because it's an all-in-one dashboard. They have it all. Okay, another thing I like about Mailing Boss right here is you can create different sequences. Okay, talked about this before. So let's say, I don't have anybody in it on this one right now. So let's say I'm gonna do one for an innovative nutrition. It's a multi-level marketing type business. Anyway, I can come in here and I can click how I'm gonna segment it. Users that open the last 2 campaigns, users that open the last campaign. So if I sent them something else before, I'd want them to know, okay, if they opened it, then they're gonna get this one. Or users that clicked on at least one link. Okay, send future subscribers only. This is going to be great if I'm going to do an automation, do some type of autoresponder, or if all I want to do is current and future subscribers, we can do that as well. So they have a lot of stuff. You can break it down by list, campaigns, templates, automation. They pretty much have it all. Okay, so and you can come here, come and look. Okay, it's called Builderall. Again, click on that link down below. You'll get a 7-day free trial. And go test it out. Okay, if you've been using ConvertKit, you've been using Aweber, you've been using Constant Contacts, MailChimp, I'd highly recommend you just look into Builderall because it seriously has it all. Okay, look right here. Create free membership websites, create paid membership websites, create personal and smart forms, and then the thing that I like right here, this one right here. Okay, manage to 10,000 emails and leads, and you also get unlimited email sending quota. So they don't cut you off at, okay, you sent 5,000 emails, you're done. They don't do that, and that's one of the things I really like about. So guys have questions on what is the best email marketing software out there, again, go and check it out. It's free. Like I said, it's free 7-day trial. Go check it out. It's something, once you get in, okay, you can click right here. It's called Mailing Boss Autoresponder. Click on it. It's very simple. I'd highly recommend it. If you have questions on it, let me know. I'm here to help you out. Again, I seriously do like ConvertKit. However, and I don't even think it will say. Okay, so this is about what I would pay currently. This is about what I would pay every single month. I'd pay about $3,200 a month if I was using just ConvertKit alone to house the majority of my my email list. Okay, so just so you know, this would be not a big waste of money because I make more than that. However, it would be a big investment. But just think how much money you are saving right now by getting Builderall, okay, this one, and only paying $29.90 a month compared to paying $120 a month and having 10,000 subscribers. If you have 0, you're just starting out, or if you have a couple hundred. Again, $29 a month is not a big investment. However, as you grow, you can save money by opting into using Builderall, building your whole business right from one system. That includes the website, that includes no hosting, you don't have to do that, okay? And that includes all your email automation, and all that is done right there for you under one system, under one roof, and it makes it very easy. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Like I said, it's a very simple way to get into email marketing. Email marketing, in my opinion, is still going to be the #1 way I'm making money, and I know you can as well. So if you like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you've not yet done so, and I will see you on the next one.